Chapter 4, Sloka 39. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Tatpara sanyatendriyah. Tatpara sanyatendriyah. Tatpara sanyatendriyah. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Tatpara sanyatendriyah. श्रद्धावान् लभते ज्ञानम् तत्पर संयतेन्द्रियः 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 ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम् ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम् ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम् अचिरेणाधिगच्छति 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 ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम् 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 अचिरेणाधिगच्छति श्रद्धावान् लभते ज्ञानं तत्पर संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम् अचिरेणाधिगच्छति.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes. Don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.